Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we create a front page of our project work. So for that, let's understand the pattern. So the format is, first you have to enter the name of your college or university or the school, and then you have to write the subject, and then your session, your name, and then roll number, and then your teacher name or by whom your project is guided by. And at the end you have to enter the signature. So to enter your college name, click on insert, and here in this text box use this word art style, and for example I'll just write ABCD University, and just click here in the word art style, add transformations, and you can use this one arch. I'll resize it and little bit more size, and in the second line I will enter the session, after writing your section press enter, and you can divide this page by pressing shift plus underscore and write till this end of this line, then press enter and your page will be divided in two parts. And here I'll write name of student Alex, anything, subject maths, topic trigonometry. You can increase the size also, and at the bottom of the page you have to write guided by XYZ, signature, and this should be a little small. So this way you can create the front page of your project. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.